Hey, what's up my Verasity holders? So what's going on? In this video I'm gonna show you to Verasity has gone up in upcoming day or fails down. Absolutely, this is very important for every Verasity holder, because if you understand today going up, then absolutely you buy it and hold it and they make you millionaire, they give you very good for. But if you cannot understand today fail, they going up or down, then you are in the lost. Absolutely, if they fails down, then you are in the lost. So what's up guys? Please hope you understand what I tell you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, please. This is very important. You subscribe our YouTube channel, then I update you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies, and I guide you my brother in a crypto market to please do sell, be buy, hold or what. Okay, so I have 3 year experience guys, and I follow one trick absolutely, and I show you in this video. You can see here this is the last 7 days previous whole result. You can see here they're going up in the start of this week. Okay my friend, understand this trick is very useful. If they take a very high jump my friends, they are fails down very badly. You can see here, but after fails down they take again a very high jump my friend, and every crypto market, every coin is absolutely this type gone moving up, absolutely moving up. So my friend, I think this time you can see here in the previous day they take a very high jump in the start and they fails down very badly. So if you buy it at this point, you can see here this point April 15, you can see here now as the last fails day. You can see here, but they take again very high jump, and I hope you can see here in upcoming days they absolutely gone up very fastly. Let's see in the last 1 hour result to what's going on, because I hope another you can see absolutely I am right. You can see here they take a very slowly jump, but they take a very jump. You can see here sometimes they take a very good jump. You can see here they fails down and again they take a very high jump, they fails down, and I hope in upcoming days they absolutely very high jump take. So absolutely please invest, hold, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good price. So hope you understand my brothers, my sister. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest this type and this type videos. Please click if you like if you agree with me. Okay, please like. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.